Very good morning, my dear children. In today's maths class, we are going to see in chapter number 5, multiplication, multiplying by a 3-digit number. Till now we saw multiplication by a 2-digit number, right? Now today, we are going to multiply by a 3-digit number. Shall we start today's session? Yes. Exercise number 5.6, find the product. Find the product. What do you mean by product? Multiplication of two numbers, right? So we are going to find the product of 93 into 215. We are going to multiply the two numbers 93 into 215. So let's start. Write the numbers 93 into 215. So what is the step 1? So now the first step is we are going to multiply the multiplicand 93. Multiply the multiplicand 93 by the digit at the ones place of the multiplier. What digit we are having at the ones place of the multiplier? 5. So now the first step is we are going to multiply 93 into 5. What is the first step? We are going to multiply the multiplicand 93 by the digit at the ones place of the multiplier. So 5, 93 into 5. Shall we multiply 93 into 5 now? Yes, 93 into 5. 3 5s are, just learn the tables children, 3 5s are 15. So 5 I am writing it here. 1 will be carried over. 1 will be carried over. Then 9 5s are 45. These two we have to multiply. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 1, 46. So write it down, 465. What is the first step? So first we are going to multiply the multiplicand 93 by 5. Next, second step. So first step is over. Second step, we are going to multiply 93 by the digit at the tens place. What digit we are having at the tens place of the multiplier? 1. So now we are going to multiply these two. 93 into 1. So 3 1s are 3. Where you have to start that? Yes, here you have to put 0, place 0 because this is a tens place. We are multiplying by tens, right? 93 into 110. So write 0 at the last or else leave that. So start from the tens place or else put 0. Start from the tens place. So 3 1s are 3. Where you have to put, be careful in that or else your entire sum will go wrong. So you have to place that in the tens place. 3 1s are 3. 9 1s are 9. Write it down. 9 1s are 9. That is the second step. We are going to multiply 93 into the 110, right? So 93 into 10, 1 or 93 into 1. So where you have to place, you have to start from the tens place because it is 93 into 10. So put 0 at the last or else start from the tens place. Now 3 1s are 3, 9 1s are 9. This is the step 2. And we'll move on to step 3. Multiply. We are going to multiply 93. Now which number is left out? 2 in the multiplier, right? We are going to multiply 93 by 2. Digit at the hundreds place of the multiplier. So 93 into hundreds place. So 200, right? Or else put 2 zeros at the last. Or else just start from the hundreds place. Where you have to start? Just leave 2 places. Start from the hundreds place. 3 2s are 6. Write it down. 3 2s are 6. 9 2s are 18. Write it down. 1 8 18. So now what is the fourth step? We are going to add all these 3. So first step is 93 into 5. We are going to multiply the multiplicand 93 by the digit at the ones place of the multiplier. We are having, what digit we are having in the ones place? 5 here. So 93 into 5. Just multiply, write the answer. Second step, multiply 93 by the tens place of the multiplier. 93 into 1. So 93 into 1 is 93. Write it down. But where you have to start, that is the main. So you have to start from the tens place. And third step, 93 into 2. So multiply, write the answer where you have to start from the hundreds place, right? So now we'll add all these 3. Shall we add all these 3 things? So 5 plus 0 and nothing is there. So 5, write it down. Next 6 plus 3, after 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Write it down. Next, we'll move on to the next one. 4 plus 9 or 9 plus 4. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. With this 13, add 6 more. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 9, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 8 is 9. Then last one you bring it down. So answer is 19,995. So you know how to multiply by a 3-digit number, right children? Yes. Shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. B sum 1326 into 204. We are going to multiply 1326 into 204. Shall we multiply these two numbers now? So write the numbers 1326 into 204. What is the first step? First we are going to multiply the multiplicand. What is the multiplicand here? 1326. By which number we will multiply first? Yes, digit at the ones place of the multiplier. First we have to take the multiplicand, multiply by the digit at the ones place of the multiplier. This is the multiplier. So now we will multiply by 4 first. Shall we multiply now? Yes. So 6 4s are, first multiply this. 6 4s are 24. 4, 2 will be carried over. Just see this, 2 will be carried over. Then 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. 0, 1 will be carried over. Just see here. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 3, 1 will be carried over. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5304. What is the first step? We are going to multiply 1326 into 4. Second step, we are going to multiply 1326 by what number? 0, right? This is the tens place. So we are going to multiply 1326 by, if you multiply any number by 0, what will be the answer? 0. Or else just leave that. You can leave this also, not a problem. You can leave this, or else write 0 into 6 also 0. When you multiply any number by 0, answer is 0. So just you can avoid this also, or you can write, not a problem. So multiplying by 0, answer is 0 only. So write where you have to start, that is the main thing. So start from the tens place. Now let's move on to the third step. 1326. What do you have to do? You are going to multiply by the digit at the hundreds place. What digit we are having in the hundreds place of the multiplier? 2. So 1326 into 2. Multiply where you have to start, that is the main. Just place 2 zeros, or else start from the hundreds place. So 6 2s are 12. 2, 1 will be carried over. Don't forget to add the carried over part. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 2. 2 6 5 2. So now what is the next step? We are going to add all these 3, right? Shall we add this now? Yes. So 4 you bring it down. 0 plus 0, 0. Next 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. After 3, 4, 5. Next 5 plus 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5. After 5, we are going to add 5 more to it. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 6, 7. So 2, you bring it down. So answer is 2,70,504. I think you all know multiply by 3-digit number, right children? Practice well all these sums at home. Now, shall we move on to the next sum? I'll repeat it one more time. 1326. What you have to do first? Multiply by 4 first. Then write the answer. Then multiply by 0. You can avoid this also, because multiplying any number by 0, answer is 0. Next 1326 multiply by 2. So write it down. At last what you have to do? You're going to add everything. Don't forget, you're going to add all these 3. So the answer is 2,70,504. Shall we move on to the next sum now? Yes. 1,596 into 348. 1,596 into 348. Shall we start this sum? So write the numbers 1596 into 348. What is the first step? So now the first step is we are going to multiply the multiplicand 1596 into the digit at the ones place of the multiplier, right? So now we are going to multiply 1596 into 8. So now write the answer. 6 8s are 48. 8 you write it here. 4 will be carried over. Don't forget to add the carried over part. Just take the carried over part to the next place and add that also. And what you have to do? Next step is 9 8s are 72 plus 4. 9 8s are 72 plus 4. 73, 74, 75, 76. So 6, 7 will be carried over. What is the next step? So 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 7, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So 7 I am writing it here. 4 will be carried over. Next, what is the next step? 1 8s are 8. 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write it down. 1, 2, 7, 6, 8. So you're going to multiply 1596 by 8. That is the first step. So shall we move on to step 2 now? Yes, now we are going to multiply the multiplicand 1596 into digit at the tens place. Right? But where you have to start? Start from the tens place. Put 0 or else just leave that. So now 6 4s are 24. So write 4 here. 2 will be carried over. 6 4s are 24. 4, 2 will be carried over. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, 37, 38. 8, 3 will be carried over. Next, 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 20, 21, 22, 23. So 3, 2 will be carried over. Right? Next, 1 4s are 4. After 4, don't forget to add the carried over part. 2. After 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6384. Shall we move on to the next step now? First step, 1596 we multiplied by 8. Then 1596 we multiplied by 4 in the second step. Third step, what we have to do? Again 1596 we are going to multiply by 3. We are going to multiply by the digit at the hundreds place of the multiplier. So 3. Shall we multiply this? Learn the tables. 6 3s are 18. Where you have to start? Hundreds place. Because we are multiplying by 300, right? This is the meaning of this. We are multiplying by 300 or else leave that. Start from hundreds place. 6 3s are 18. Write 8 here. 1 will be carried over. 1 will be carried over. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27 plus 1. 27 plus 1. 28. 8. 2 will be carried over. Then 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2. 16. 17. So 7. 1 will be carried over. Next last step. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So next, what is the last step? You are going to add all these 3. Shall we add this now? So there is no number to add. So bring down that 8. So 6 plus 4. Next step, 6 plus 4. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, 1 will be carried over. Now let's add this 1 plus 7. Or 7 plus 1, 8. Then 8 plus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 8, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4, 2 will be carried over. Next step, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3. After 4, 5, 6, 7. With this 7, I am going to add 8 more. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 7 again 15, 5, 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 4, 5, write it down, so answer is 5,55,408. So you know how to multiply by 3-digit number, right? What is the first step? Multiply the multiplicand by the digit at the ones place of the multiplier. So here 1596 into 8. Second step, multiply the multiplicand by the digit at the tens place of the multiplier. Here we have 1596 into 4. Third step, multiply the multiplicand by the digit at the hundreds place of the multiplier. 1596 into 3. So after that you are going to add all these 3. Then answer you will get 5,55,408 for this sum. Now next we will move on to the next one. Estimate the product, exercise number 5.7. Estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. We are going to multiply. Estimate the product. I think you all know to round off the numbers to the nearest 10, right? Estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. So first sum is 49 into 83. We are going to multiply, but first we are going to round off to the nearest 10 and after that we are going to multiply them. So first let's take the number 49. We are going to round off this number to the nearest 10. So see the digit at the ones place. It is greater than 5. So place 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 49 is rounded off to 50. I think you all know this, right? 49 is rounded off to 50. Now take the number 83, round off this number to the nearest 10. See the digit at the ones place? It is less than 4. So place 0 in the ones place and the tens place will remain the same. So 8. So now 49 is rounded off to 50 and 83 is rounded off to 80. Now we are going to multiply these two now. So now how many zeros you are having now? Just 2 zeros, right? So now what you are going to do? Write the 2 zeros at the last. So how many zeros? We are having 2 zeros here. So write the 2 zeros at the last. Now remaining will multiply. 5 8s are 40. So it's very easy to multiply this, right? So answer is 4,000. The estimated product is 4,000. So first round up the numbers to the nearest 10, then multiply the estimated value. So 0, we are having 2 zeros. So just write the 2 zeros at the last. Then remaining we have to multiply. 5 8s are 40. So the estimated product is 4,000. B sum 237 into 41. We are going to multiply 237 into 41. First we have to round off to the, we are going to round off to the nearest 10. Shall we round off to the numbers to the nearest 10? So take the first number 237, round off to the nearest 10. So see the digit at the ones place. It is greater than 5. So place 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. So 3 plus 1, 4. So 237 is rounded off to 240. Now take the second number 41 multiplier, round off to the nearest 10. 41 went round off to nearest 10, 40. So it is less than 5. So place 0 in the ones place and the tens place will remain the same. So 240 into 40, we are going to multiply. How many zeros are there at the last? Just see. So 2 zeros, right? These 2 zeros at the last. Remaining numbers we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply only this. 24 into 4. 4 4s are 16. So 2 zeros at the last. 4 4s are 16. 6, 1 will be carried over. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the estimated product is 9,600. 237 into 41. First round off the number 237. 240. 41 round off to the nearest 10. 40. If you have zeros at the last, write how many zeros? 2 zeros we are having. So write at the last. Then 24 into 4, 96. Estimated product is 9,600. Let's move on to the next sum. Estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. Same way, now we are going to round off, we are going to estimate the product, estimate the product by round off the numbers to the nearest 100. I think you all know to round off the numbers to the nearest 100, right? First round off the numbers, then multiply, so that you will get the estimated product. So first one is 361 into 226. So 361 will round off to the nearest 100. To round off to the nearest 100, what we have to do? See the digit at the tens place. It is greater than 5. So put 0 in the ones and tens place and add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. 3 plus 1, 4. So 361 is rounded off to 400. Now take the next number, multiplier 226. See the digit at the tens place, we are having 2. So it is less than 4. So place 0 in the ones and the tens place and the hundreds place remains the same. So 226 is rounded off to 200. Now let's multiply these two numbers. So it's very easy. See how many zeros at last? They are having 4 zeros. So write the 4 zeros at the last. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Like the 4 zeros at the last. Now we'll multiply the remaining thing. 4 2s are 8. So estimated product is 80,000. It's easy, right? So the estimated product is 80,000. So what is the first step? What is the first thing you have to do? Round off the numbers to the nearest 100 and then multiply. If you have zeros at the last, just count the zeros and write at the last, and the remaining you multiply. So here we are having 4 zeros. So write 4 zeros at the last. Then 4 2s are 8. So estimated product is, when you 361 into 226, the estimated product is 80,000. B sum 2,841 into 154. 2,841 into 154. So first we'll round off the numbers to the nearest 100. So take the first number 2,841 multiplicand. So see the digit at the tens place, it is less than. If it is 4 or less than 4, what we have to do? Put zeros in the ones and the tens place, and hundreds place will remain the same. So 8 to 2,800. 2,841 is rounded off to 2,800. So now take the multiplier 154, round off to the nearest 100. See the digit at the tens place, it is 5. So place 0 in the ones and the tens place. Add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2. So 154 is rounded off to 200. Now let's multiply these two numbers. So how many zeros we are having at the last? Just see, 4. So write 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros at the last. Now let's multiply 28 into 2. 8 2s are 66. 1 will be carried over. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is, estimated product is 5,60,000. What is the estimated product? 5,60,000. So first round off the numbers to the nearest 100 and then multiply. If you have zeros at the last, place then how many zeros you have counted, that place that at the last, and remaining you multiply. So here we have 4 zeros. So write 4 zeros at the last. Multiply 28 into 2. Answer is 56. So 5,60,000. And home assignment, find the product. You're going to find the product of A sum 93 into 182. 93 into 182. B 937 into 406. 937 into 406. Second one, estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. Estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. A sum 98 into 65. 82. B sum 82 into 76. A sum 98 into 65. B sum 82 into 76. Third one, estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. Estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. A 760 into 119. B 453 into 249. I'll repeat it. A 716 into 119. B 453 into 249. Practice well all the sums, children. Thank you.